Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video, we have a delicious piece of fried fish and air fried fish, because that's what my mother wanted, with some Buldak spicy noodles, the black bean Buldak spicy noodles with shrimp. So good, spicy, and absolutely, definitely delicious. All right, now let's get into the recipe. So first we're going to add some oil to a pan. And this is a seasoning mixture that I had that was made with a little melted butter, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper. Is that everything? And ginger, ground ginger. All right, so you're going to go ahead and get that mixture in the oil, cook it off a little bit, and then you're going to cook your shrimp in that. Soon as both sides of your shrimp turn pink, remove from the pot. Yum. All right, so now we're removing the shrimp, adding a tiny bit more oil, and we're going to saute some onions. I'm adding a little bit more of my seasoning mixture. Then I'm going to add some cleaned cabbage. You're going to saute your onions for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then add your cleaned and already cut and all that good stuff cabbage to the pot. I'm adding a little bit more of that seasoning mixture. I added a little at a time so that I could gauge the saltiness. And I'm adding some Scotch bonnet pepper, of course, and some carrot. So this meal is like a fusion, Jamaican, Asian kind of situation. You guys know I'm always doing some kind of fusion something by, Caribbeanizing the meals. Shout out to DTA. I believe that is what their name starts with, DTA. I hope I am right. Shout out to you. Thank you for being such an awesome supporter. Thank you to all the supporters. All right. Now, as you can see, I added back the shrimp. Saute that a little bit more. And that is all done. I could eat this just like this with some white rice, honestly. Just like that with some white rice. All right, so now here we have the Buldak spicy noodles. This is the black bean noodle. And this meal was for my mother and sister with the noodles. You're just going to boil that in water until it's cooked to your desired tenderness. I'm adding some soy sauce. I took some of this out, by the way, because it was a lot to go into only 2 things of noodles. So I took some of it out, added some soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce, added the cooked noodles to it, and a little bit of water. And then now I'm going to add only one of the black bean spicy pouches, only one of them. And I must say this meal came out so good. My mother said this is beyond good. That is what she said. Right, her and Lexi love carbs, especially my mama. Lexi loves noodles though, so she was very happy to come home to this. And then with the fried fish, it was like the cherry on top. It was like the cherry on top. And I must say the air fried fish came out looking really good as well. My mother hasn't been one of her fish fried lately, which I completely understand. It is healthier to put it in the air fryer. Look at that. So good. So good. And nothing to it but to get into it. All right, I'm adding some cilantro and some scallions. Giving that a little toss. These noodles, you can eat it just like that. Whether you just want to eat the cabbage with the shrimp or mix it all together with the noodles and eat it just like that. This is a meal also all by itself. You can add chicken to it. You can do so many things with this. And now on to the fish. Very, very simple. I added a seasoning mixture I have that has salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, ground cumin, and ground ginger. And now I'm just going to use that mixture to season up the fish. My fish is already cleaned and scored, as you can see. And now I'm going to fry the fish. Like I said, my mother's fish went into the air fryer like so. Okay, and I cooked it, I believe, on 360 for 25 minutes. Halfway through, I flip it to the other side. And then when I fry my fish, so one side gets golden brown, I flip it to the other side. That takes about 4 minutes, so about 4 minutes per side. And now it's time to do the best part, plate up so that they can enjoy the food. Such a fun meal to make. Super simple as well. Super simple meal. a nice little fusion situation going on. And now I'm just gonna top the noodles with the shrimp, the Buldak spicy black bean noodles with the shrimp. I'm gonna top it off with these beautiful, delicious, moist, flavorful pieces of fish. I'm trying to find every adjective. Anywho, I pray that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you to all of our wonderful supporters. You guys really do have beautiful souls. You don't even know how your comments lift me up in these times that feel so uncertain and unsure. I thank every single one of you, and I pray that God continues to bless you abundantly in all of his goodness. All right, I think that's everything I wanted to say. Love you all. God bless and peace.